Let's continue designing the top part of our homepage and keep working on our content because we're finally getting into the fun stuff here. To add some more text below our title in this call to action area, just click Edit with Visual Composer. And we're going to use the front end editor here as opposed to the back end editor. As you work more and more, you might have your own preference, but I like going back and forth depending on what we're building. And now just click this orange plus icon. Click that, which will add to our column. Remember, we have a column inside of a row, and we need a text block for a larger area to add text. Just click that. And now let's just edit this dummy text. So what I want to say is matching clothing, blankets, pillows, accessories, love. And you can write whatever sort of headline you want that'll be good for your website. Now in between each one of these we could use the vertical column or something like that, but I want to use a bullet. And you can always find the symbol you want on Wikipedia. What I like to do is just look it up in Google, find the Wikipedia page, and then copy the icon itself, or the symbol. And you can paste that into this WordPress editor. And in this case, it's going to be easier if we click on the text tab, which will strip away any unnecessary formatting. Paste space, you get the picture. Now head back to the Visual tab and let's highlight everything with our cursor and click Align Center. And while it's highlighted, let's also choose the color. We need to open the kitchen sink by toggling toolbar, change the text color to white, and then save changes and close. Now for some reason some of our bullets didn't show up. So let's go back to text and re-add those. Sometimes going from text to visual can remove things that you actually did want. Just a common problem web designers always face. And save. And very nice. Next, to insert our button, just click the orange plus again and choose button, if we can find it. There it is, an eye-catching button. And we just need to write in some text for the button. Shop now, and I believe that auto caps. Great, and when we have the page for our shop, we're going to insert it right here. Come down, and I want the button to be custom style. And I want the alignment to be center. Very nice. Now just save, close, and then update. And WordPress automatically puts the right spacing in between the title, the text block, and the button. So we don't need to change the spacing unless you absolutely want to. Whenever we click on the logo now from our front end editor, it'll open our site in a new screen. Super convenient. Now we can see what we made. And the last piece of our hero image section is the navigation menus. Right here to the right of the logo and in the top bar. So let's set those up and fill them in with pages, which will also help us navigate the site as we build it. To create navigation menus, just hover in the upper left and click Menus. Now we need to create a new menu, so let's give it a name. Main should do, and then click Create Menu. You can also get to this section through Appearance Menus, by the way, if you're in your dashboard. And you can manage menus in Customizer, which can be fun. Next, we need to add some pages to the menu. And I want to just click on Shop and Add to Menu. Now let's choose main navigation for the theme location because this is the main menu, and save it. And right away on our homepage, we'll see this shop link right here in the main navigation section. We also need that menu that goes above the main menu up here in the blue section. So let's create a new menu and call this one top bar. Very semantic of us, and click create. And now let's choose a few more pages like my account, cart, wish list, and that looks good. Add to menu. We can also view all if it's not showing all the pages in most recent. Let's choose the theme location of top bar and save. And refresh. And there we go. To make this menu look exactly like we want it to, we're going to have to get a little bit clever. First of all, I want to rename my account to your account, just because that's what Amazon does and it's the global standard. I also want another link to my account, so I'm going to re-add that tab and name this one login. I'm doing this for two reasons. One, when people click on this login link, they're going to be taken to the login screen, and after they log in, they'll get to my account. And two, so that people have multiple ways of reaching the my account page, because I want them to make use of that page as much as possible. It's hard to know what sort of text and links people like clicking on, so it's a good idea to give them multiple options if you want them to arrive at a destination. Now I just want wish list in a drop down under your account, and I want a new link that goes to the logout. Logout is automatically in this position, but if we right click and copy link address, we can put that link into a custom menu link right here. Just paste over this URL section like that and label it logout and add to menu. And this is going in a drop down too. Save.